Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. Today I received that nice fancy package. Well, let's open it and see what inside. I kinda know already what it is. Wicher 500i revision 2. I'm really excited to actually receive that acceleration card for my Amiga 500. It's slightly used. The previous owner saying he did use it only once on his Amiga, and the board looks actually really nice. It comes with 6800 processor. I believe the jumper is already preset or so. Also, he sent me 8 megabyte memory. Just like that, and the harness, which then I will have to connect it to my main board. Anyway, let's see. Yep, it's a Wicher 500i revision 2c. The thing is, that's not a really current model what's available right now. The current one is 508i, and it's slightly different than the one I received. But of course the price is also different. The 508i, I believe it's close to $200 or so. It's made by same people, I mean 7-bit, and those guys in Poland, I believe. And I mean, it sounds like they're doing really good product, and that's why I was excited to get this one, because, well, first of all, I got, I believe, for like 120. It's pretty good price. It's really good price. It comes, like I said, with 8 megabyte RAM. I mean, it's gonna be a fast RAM. The difference is between 508i. I believe 508, it can take 16 megabytes memory board, I mean the stick, and visible to Amiga itself will be 11, which is okay. 8 megabyte will be pretty good. Also, this board, I'm not sure about this processor, the actual processor. I may it's gonna pick it up a few more to see if I'm lucky to reach it higher numbers. But they saying the Wicher 500 it capable reach it up to 50 megahertz. I have to install it and see how lucky I am. Well, guys, pretty much that's it for today. Next video we will install it and try it, and we go from there. Well, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate.